What's up, guys? We back with another banger today. I'm just gonna be this. Hey, we're gonna be playing Roblox,
Yo
but
guys,
also
you guys want to start?
since they are
I
here,
actually started
just
to play
if you guys want
Fortnite,
to play
so you guys
Fortnite
want
with
to
me,
start,
also, guys, you
adding
can
me
just
on
add
Fortnite.
my Fortnite, bro. If you guys want to also talk to me in private, bro, all you have to do is just comment, bro. Hey man, what's up, guys? Here's another banger. Today we will be playing Roblox. If you guys feel me. And also, I'm gonna start streaming. So, if you want to be my mod, you could. You could be my moderator if you guys want. And I'm looking for people to edit. If you guys are good editors, bro, just like if you guys good editors, you guys want to be my editors, I can pay you guys. You guys just need to be good editors. This stuff, you guys could. All you have to do is, you feel me? But yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to Roblox. I just got we will just be showcasing this brand new car I just bought. It's like, they just added like a few weeks ago. But we're gonna join my friend's private. He's not online, so yeah, but I will be doing a showcase, I think. Guys, follow my boy Rax. Yeah, I know too. But we're just gonna join my friend private server. We're just gonna be showcasing the brand new car. Like, I literally just bought it. But yeah, chat. But put in the comments what should we name the title, cause I'm gonna put a random title to it, and then you can just put in the comments what title we should the picture of the video, and look, you see it says brand new. All these cars are brand new. Brand new car. I just got this, like, and I could sell this for a lot of money. Either it's a scam product, but look at this thing. Ooh, oh my lord. This thing goes really fast too. Look how fast this goes. I just got this too. I'm already loving it. The reason I'm not in a public too is probably because the lag. It's a lot of lag. There is a lot of lag. So a lot of people just shooting. So yeah. But yeah, guys. Oh, also, me and the admins, I think they're like, they said like tomorrow they're doing a giveaway. Like, let's say like 5 mil in the Discord, and I'm in it, the thing. So if we do win that 5 mil, I will be doing a giveaway, 100,000. You could just put in the comments how much money you want. You could like, and then I could add you guys. And then we could do a little battle, like, or you could just battle with someone else, and whoever wins earn the money. So second place gets like a mil, third place gets 300,000. Third gets like 2,000. Because if I win, I can do a giveaways. Feel me? But this car is very fast, and also I'm also doing a giveaway on this car. If you guys want this car, just type in your Roblox username 3 times, and yeah, and then you can easily like get this car. This car is very fast too, especially if you upgrade it. I haven't even upgraded it. I just got this thing. Look at that, 300. 300. That's a good rule right there. Bro, if I upgrade it, this could be like probably like a lot. This thing could probably be faster than that. Cause the Bugatti, I think it goes like 400 or 300 or something, 300 something. And I think, look, so yeah, I don't know though, but chat, hold up. We're just gonna go to customize. So I want to customize this thing, chat. I want to customize. Customize. Alright. I already have that. Let's see. But yeah, but see you guys later.